How to fix color calibration keeps resetting in Windows. 1. Run the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Install your display driver in compatibility mode. Like this. 3. Disable the F.Lux app and nightlight. 4. Install older version of graphic card driver, if you can. 5. Edit calibration loader settings at \Microsoft\Windows color system in task scheduler, disable enabled in at log on under triggers. Disable enabled in on connection to user session.